Welcome back. Now, let's talk about the Lamborghini Huracan, the youngest model in the current Lamborghini lineup. This beauty made its debut back in March 2014 at the prestigious Geneva Motor Show, marking a significant leap forward from its predecessor, the Gallardo sports car. Over nearly a decade of production, the Huracan has undergone numerous transformations, with the latest being the introduction of an all-terrain version, the Stirato, just over a year ago. But guess what? Lamborghini is not done surprising us yet. Currently, the Italian automaker is in the testing phase of their next-generation sports car, and spy photographers have managed to capture glimpses of the prototypes. Despite being concealed under a thick layer of camouflage, we can already discern some intriguing features. At the front, your attention will be immediately drawn to the slender and horizontally elongated headlights, accompanied by distinctive hexagonal LED lights, serving as both markers and direction indicators. Moving to the sides, you'll notice subtle references to the iconic Gallardo model, thanks to specific stampings and the strategic placement of air intakes. And at the rear, a commanding hexagonal exhaust pipe steals the spotlight, hinting at the car's powerful performance. While the lights remain concealed, we've envisioned one possible design option, inspired by the hexagonal style seen in the Scion supercar produced from 2020 to 2022. Now, let's talk power. The current Huracan boasts a formidable 5.2-liter 10-cylinder engine, but the upcoming sports car might take things up a notch. Rumors suggest a biturbo petrol V8 paired with an electric motor, promising an electrifying driving experience. The transmission is expected to feature an 8-speed robotic gearbox akin to the one found in the older Revuelto model. And brace yourselves as whispers of a fully electric version are making the rounds. The moment we've all been waiting for. The premiere of this exciting new Lamborghini is expected to happen later this year. As the camouflaged prototypes continue to fuel our anticipation, we can't help but wonder what groundbreaking features and innovations Lamborghini has in store for us. So gear up for the thrill of a lifetime as Lamborghini redefines the future of sports cars. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to keep the automotive excitement rolling. Stay tuned for more updates and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, ride on, enthusiasts.